Hello and welcome to Max Motors. Look what we have today. So as you can tell, it's a lovely BMW Z4 on the 2013 plate. It's the 2-litre model, M Sport, in the black. As you can see, we've just had it polished up and it is looking mint. Paintwork is lovely. No nasty stone chips on the front. It's been a very well looked after motor. Always been garaged. Alloys really suit it. Obviously it's got the M Sport alloys. Obviously it's a convertible, 2-seater, with twin exhaust at the back. Just on this alloy here, got a little bit of just coming through. I mean, that can get done. So the car has just done 35,000 miles. M Sport logo there. Very low mileage. It's got 6 service stamps, 4 of them are main dealer. Serviced only 2,000 miles ago. Into the interior. Door cards are great. Interior again is in excellent condition. The red really stands out. Really nice. Door shut perfectly. Obviously a convertible. Plenty of space, to be fair, when the hood's up. The driver's side, door car's perfect, all the seals are perfect, no nasty seatbelt marks, obviously the M Sport logo again. On the driver's seat, very slight wear, very slight wear. Love this silver as well, really matches the car. It's a manual, 6-speed, it's got your sport mode, your comfort, electronic handbrake, obviously it's got aircon and all that. And there we go, 35,850 miles, very low mileage. quick look under the hood for you. Huge bonnet. There you go, tick it over, really nice. Really nice car this. If you're looking for a Z4, this is the one. Low mileage, good service history, and fantastic condition. I did forget on the last video though, we have got a very slight mark on the roof. Just there. So right, let's see if we can get the roof down. Here we go. Perfect. Oh, got my cat when I've got a look at it with the roof down. Sun shining for a change. There we go. Car will come with 6 months warranty. Will come with a new clean MOT as well. I think I might go for a spin.
That's really good.
And there you go. Thanks for watching.